gonna make me late for my tune. So we made it. Car ran fine. This is DBW Motorsports in Atlanta, so they're gonna be taking care of me today. Finally, the car's gonna be tuned. Man's got parts stacked everywhere.
I'm jealous.
Your car will be here soon.
Yeah, no.
This whole YouTube thing and vlogging stuff, I'll never ever get used to this. But this whole place is like really nice. Hopefully he'll be okay with me filming. Oh snap, so they got, in the little waiting room, they got a little focus TV where you can see like what what's happening on the dyno.
On this Mustang dyno.
Looks like this is a Mustang dyno, so I guess my feelings are getting hurt today.
Heart's about to be broken. We even accepted that.
This place is nice though, bro. There's so many cars over there, Supras, GTRs, all kind of stuff.
They work on rotaries. So those cars, bro. You may get some B-roll of them cars.
Oh well.
You got a whole hour to kill. Mustang dyno. And then I feel like a horse should be like,
hopefully we see plenty of horses.
Yeah. I mean, 300 horses.
If I see a 3 up there, I'll be totally happy with it.
300 horses ain't nothing to scuff at. It's a lot of horses. For your car.
Oh, she looks so good. Oh, I'm so happy right now. I don't even know why. That clutch.
I really just like this filter so fucking much.
That clutch still gets me. Oh, it looks so good under these lights. I'm so happy. I really wish I would have fixed my exhaust before I came in here though.
It don't matter now. What is done is done. What's the saying?
It is what it is. Alright, so we just talked to the tuner. He said because, is this thing on manual focus? Yep. Because I got a boost controller installed, we should see somewhere between 285, 300, maybe a little bit more, depending on what the car is happy with and what's safe. So we'll see. If I see a 3 anything, I'll be super happy with that. So he's doing some calibration stuff right now. It'll be probably like an hour before he does any like pulls or anything like that. But he's in there getting everything calibrated, and we can see everything he's doing on the TV, which is pretty cool. So this is more entertaining than any TV show I could watch right now, to be honest.
And it's a Mustang dyno, remember that.
Yeah, it's a
so
Mustang
whatever
dyno.
you make on this dyno, you make.
That's pretty much what it's gonna be.
Yeah, that's what it's gonna be. So
if I make 300 on a Mustang dyno, it could be like 325 on a dyno jet or something like that. I don't know. So I'm just gonna bump it up if somebody asks and say, yeah, it's like 350 or whatever.
hey man, I think we're gonna use that in the title to click pick people in. 350 on a stock motor.
That was only 4,000 RPM.
What?
That was only 4,000.
For real?
Yeah, I'm looking at it on the screen. It was only 4,000.
Jesus. Chandler. That's 4,000 RPM. You finna be. Where we at right now?
I'm not ready for this.
That was almost one, but
If they got wings on him, he's flown at some point. I don't know if this one's ever flown because this is.
Okay, yeah. Anything helps.
yeah, best thing is to stand over here. Yeah, you stand here.
Cool.
I can use it back so it's out of your picture if you want.
Oh no, that's fine. That's fine. Come on.
Oh, you got him? Oh God! I'm the only guy in here. Yeah, I'm gonna be jacked up. Like,
You're about to be screwed, but
it's okay. I already got disability from the Marine Corps.
oh my God! Dude, this mic probably got blown out. It probably got blown out. Wow. Yo. Dude. I don't think the mic picked up any of that. I'm about to look back and see. Holy crap. Okay, that was crazy. That one, incredible. I will be back. Holy smokes. That's what dreams are made of.
Yeah, this is his garage built.
Yeah. Got a lot more building to do.
Chandler, man, you finna be scooting down this.
My phone notified me that there's heavy traffic, so I don't know how much scooting we can do, but it's gonna be a little bit.
Depends on which way you want to go.
Yeah, we can take a long route. Look, I told you
If you go through downtown, it's going to be a nightmare.
Yeah.
Hey man, we got time. We can go see Adam. We can go see Lane. it's only 1
I mean,
o'clock.
these things, like NA to turbo, is like a completely different car.
It's the only thing this car's been missing is a little bit more power.
You got it now.
If I didn't do anything else, I think I would be all right.
You got it now. Look at that. Alright. We're recording on all medias.
Oh yeah, it's definitely got some more belt. I can feel it already. Alright, we'll give her a few beans. Holy smokes, my phone's blowing up. Oh my God! Yo! This thing is a lot louder than I thought. Oh, I got a headache, Chandler. I don't even. Do it again. Yo! Do it again. Oh my God! Okay, yep. This thing is right. Oh, traffic. Daggone traffic. I thought I left enough room, but I didn't. Holy smokes. Alright, so I'm back home. We just got done from joyriding.
Bro, this thing is good.
Yes. It's like, I know 308 horsepower. I don't know if I told you guys this, but 308 is where we ended up with. In YouTube land, I'm sure that's not a lot. But when you're used to like low power, slow cars like I am, this is a lot, dude. This thing is a rocket ship.
Oh my god.
Sorry, I don't have a big, huge YouTube number to throw up, but 300 horsepower in a lightweight car like this is...
It's more than enough for this car. I mean, I can see why people may want more power, but to be maintainable, especially on back roads, this is more than enough.
Yeah.
This is more than enough.
I could kill myself with this if I tried hard enough.
Yeah, this is very, even though it's fast, but it's very tamed. It's like, it's not unruly. It's like you're more confident in it than you are scared of it.
Yeah. So I'm probably, I don't know if I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna do like some reaction videos, try to get my mom in here and see what she thinks about it. I'm gonna do some review. I'm gonna do a review on the turbo kit itself, and probably review some of the other many parts that I've put on this car in the past few months. So yeah, this has been a very successful day. Car's back drivable again, or it's way past drivable at this point. It's performing like nothing I've ever driven in my life, so, which is saying something. So I'm gonna end this video right here. The car is absolutely gross. I'm probably gonna go ahead and wash it. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like these videos, and if you want some more, or if you want anything specific, let me know and I will try to get that out to you. So peace out. Oh, subscribe to Phantom Peach, by the way.
Please do.
There's something really big coming on his channel, so subscribe to Phantom Peach. Subscribe to me. Subscribe to me first, but then go subscribe to him. And we'll see you on the next video.